Hello, this is Vivek. In this video, I'll see more about widgets in WordPress. Here I'm going to widgets. Here we have three widget sections. One is a blog sidebar for blog sidebar. In a home page or in any other pages, we don't have a sidebar. Here only on this blog layout, we have this sidebar that's from here, coming from here, blog sidebar. And also we have footer widgets, that is footer 1 and footer 2. These are all the widgets. We have a search widget in blog sidebar and a recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories and meta. These are all the widgets added to this blog sidebar. Even this blog sidebar will be displayed on a single blog articles. Here it is. These are all the available widgets in this template and in WordPress core. Different templates have different widgets based on the theme, and you can drag and drop these widgets, and also we can add a navigational menus also. Instead of this meta, I can add a social links in sidebar. Follow me on, I just have only Facebook link. I'm removing this meta. Unlike this menus and customize options, whenever I'm adding a widgets here, it will be updated throughout the site without saving any changes. Just drag and drop. Here you can see this follow me. For adding widgets we have to save, but for deleting it works instantly. If I delete this, we don't have to save anything. It's removed. This categories, and while adding we have to save these changes. The widget, and we can use all this. We can add a text or a HTML, images. You can choose images from gallery. Add a widget, and we can link this to a different link. Save. If I reload this page, I should see this image in our sidebar. If I click on this link, it will redirect me to Google website, and I can try and add all these widgets. If you don't want any widgets, and if you don't want to lose the widgets, you can just drag these widgets into this inactive widget section. These widgets will be stored, and whenever you want to add them, you can drag back into these widgets. Here I have dragged this into inactive widgets, and if I reload this page, this widget is disappeared. I'll drag this into footer 1. This is just added. Here you can see, here it's added, and we have these two widget blocks for footer 1 and footer 2. I'll add pages. It's already saved. If I reload, these are all the pages. Here we can do one more thing. We can create a menu for footer links or text block like about website, and we can put it in a one widget, that is footer 1, and we can create a custom menu, and you can put it in another widget. You can add a navigational menu. Here I can create a footer links menu, navigational menu, and we can add it directly here only for footer links, that is about, privacy policy and terms and conditions. For all those we can create a separate navigational menu, and we can add it here with the help of widgets. Not only here, we can add a navigational menu in a main sidebar also. Here I have already added for social links, and we can create a sidebar menu for articles, and we can add here also. I'm just dragging these widgets to footer widgets to inactive widgets, and we can reuse them later. Just if I reload this page, these widgets will be disappeared, and these are all the widgets available right now in our blog sidebar section. And we have one more section, that is editor. If you want to make any changes to our template, you can use this theme editor from here, and if you are doing any changes and if anything goes wrong, you are not able to access this theme editor or a WordPress website, we have to do it through cpanel again. For that purposes, do any minor changes. If you are not sure about modifying it from a theme editor, don't do it. And for security reasons, we'll disable these editors, either theme editor or a plugin editor in our WordPress installation. We only do it through FTP or cpanel, these editings, just for the purpose of knowing. I'm showing you can do it from here, but if you're not sure about making the changes, don't do it from here. You won't be able to roll back again. That's why you can go with FTP or cpanel for making the major changes. And these are all the files available in our template. That is about widgets and this theme editor.